Charlie! Turn!
Gotta call Shirley. Shirley. Girly. Hello? Yes. Is this Shirley? Okay. Yeah. This is Joshua. Joshua. Yeah. Joshua. Not Joshua in the Bible, but this is Joshua. Yeah, I'm not going to give you a number today. No, man, the boy. I sent one of my boys for the number. He can't be free to talk to you, That's why I prefer call you and talk to you and tell you how I feel about you. You understand them pretty? I don't know if you even want to talk to me, but more you hear this straight forward. You see me? Alright, hear me answer. No, man, me make you talk a little more. Just listen to me answer now. Hear me answer. I like how you look. That's the first foremost what me I call you right now. Because right now, more you know how me feel about you. Understand? You give me a heartache. Anytime you see you, come like me heart attack me. Yeah, I know headache, heartache. You see, every time I look by your foot, me I see one big ever giant foot. You understand? You see, I close the ear on to them, me don't like it. So, me not think careful ever. No man, me buy a better clothes than that man. No, yes sir. What you see, the brazier there, the brazier there, it come like extra large. And you know shoes there, me I tell you say, if you look good, you see all the hole under your shoes. Me not like my girl, me don't like that style. But you hear me I say, me don't like that. Me like that. Me like how you look. You remember me, Joshua? Alright, me tell you which Joshua I am. I am Joshua the big with the big head. You don't remember the boy with the big head you see up to there with the mud head? The big head, the mud head, yeah? Them call me big head mud head, Joshua. So my girl, you know what I say? I want you to know this. No man, let me talk, man, let me talk. You just listen. Let me listen. You just listen and I will talk. My girl, hear me I say. You know what I like about you? I like how you look. No man, I don't like how you look. You come like you bleach and pitchy patchy. You understand? Me advise you if you stop bleach and start use some bad soap. Nah like. But my girl, hear me I say that. Yes, Shirley, me don't call you for this, me just a call you to talk to you, my girl. Yeah. So my girl, hear me I say. You need a good man in your life and I'm prepared to marry to you. So right now, on this call, I am asking you if you would be my lovely and lovely wife. I should send you $100 credit. What kind of phone you use? Digital or phone? Alright, I'm gonna send you $100 credit. And you give me an answer, okay? Yes. I'm gonna WhatsApp. I'm gonna video call on WhatsApp to make us have a date. Yes. No, I don't want to meet you personally. I just want to meet you over the phone. Yeah. Yes, my friend. Yeah. She hung up. Shirley. No one ever right now, man. Shirley is. Shirley. Yeah, Shirley with a big foot.